This mini cordless rotary toolkit is compact and easy to use, making it great for detailed projects like carving, sanding, and grinding. It has 5 speed settings from 5,000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute, allowing you to match the speed to your task. The tool is lightweight, shaped like a pen, and has a built-in LED light for better visibility. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 200 minutes. This woodworking ruler set includes 3 pocket rulers, each designed for accuracy. A special sliding block helps you set up power tools like a table saw or drill press. The main ruler has a notch for precise measurements, and locking holes let you keep the slider in place. It also includes a mechanical pencil for marking lines easily. This set ensures clean, straight cuts without constant adjustments. This pocket hole jig makes creating strong wood joints easy. It works with wood from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, making it great for different projects. The jig is simple to set up, built to last, and includes a lifetime warranty on the drill guide. Features like an adjustable hole spacing and a non-slip base make it an excellent tool for both indoor and outdoor projects. This set includes 8 mini bar clamps, each 6 inches long. Despite their small size, they can apply up to 150 pounds of pressure. Quick-release triggers allow fast positioning and removal. Made from reinforced plastic, these clamps are durable and built to last. They provide a strong grip while being easy to handle, making them an essential tool for woodworking and home improvement tasks. This cordless drill kit is compact but powerful, making it ideal for woodworking projects. It includes a drill driver and an impact driver, both perfect for drilling holes and driving screws. The impact driver is great for long screws and assembling furniture. Despite its small size, it delivers enough power for most tasks. This kit is perfect for working in tight spaces where precision and maneuverability are needed. This router kit includes both a plunge base and a fixed base, making it versatile for different tasks. The 2.25 horsepower motor provides enough power for most projects. With variable speed control, you can adjust the speed based on the wood type. The fixed base is great for edge routing, while the plunge base is perfect for cutting grooves. It includes collets for different bit sizes, adding even more flexibility. This woodworking ruler set includes 3 anodized aluminum pocket rules in 6, 8, and 12 inches. Each has laser-engraved markings for easy reading. A sliding stop locks in place for repeated measurements, and the ruler can stand upright for setting tool heights. It is great for adjusting router bits and saw blades. Whether used for marking wood or setting up tools, this set provides precise and consistent results. This table saw features a 15-amp motor for cutting boards and lumber. The 8 1/4 inch blade handles different materials with ease. Despite its compact size, it is durable and portable. The rack and pinion fence system allows for accurate cuts, making it perfect for both ripping and cross-cutting tasks. Whether working on small projects or larger jobs, this saw provides reliability and precision in any workspace. This mini wood planer has a durable steel blade designed for sharp and efficient cutting. It is great for detailed woodworking, allowing easy adjustments for different depths. The blade can be resharpened, extending its lifespan. The body is made of tough ductile iron, ensuring durability. A simple knob lets you control the cutting depth, making it an essential tool for smoothing and shaping wood with precision. This clamp set includes 6 clamps, 4 6-inch and 2 12-inch clamps. They are made with strong nylon and steel bars for durability. A quick change button allows easy conversion into a spreader. These clamps provide up to 150 pounds of pressure and hold securely. The soft clamp pads protect surfaces from damage and can be replaced. A quick release latch ensures easy and fast adjustments. This track saw delivers table saw precision with circular saw portability. The 59-inch track ensures accurate, splinter-free cuts. It can cut up to 2 1/8 inches deep at a 90-degree angle. The anti-kickback mechanism provides extra safety. The depth scale accounts for the track thickness, allowing precise measurements. Whether cutting plywood, MDF, or hardwood, this saw offers a clean and controlled cutting experience. This panel carrier makes carrying large plywood sheets easy. It supports up to 100 pounds and has an ergonomic handle for one-handed use. It securely grips panels up to 3/4 of an inch thick, reducing strain while carrying heavy materials. This tool is perfect for transporting full-sized sheets or smaller wood pieces with less effort, making woodworking tasks smoother and more efficient. This mechanical pencil is built for professionals who need precise lines. A built-in indicator lets you check the lead type at a glance. It has a retractable tip to prevent breaking and a metal grip with soft pads for comfort. The 4mm tip makes it perfect for working with rulers and templates. It comes pre-loaded with high-quality lead that produces clear lines without needing sharpening. This coping saw is perfect for woodworking projects, thanks to its replaceable blades. It has a 6.3-inch frame depth, allowing you to cut large pieces in a single pass. The frame design helps with making curved cuts. Changing the blade is easy. Just rotate the handle to remove the old blade and attach a new one by hand. It is perfect for quick and precise cuts without needing extra tools.